Hi, my name is Robert Panoff,
And I'm Christina Alonso.
and this is the Interactive Table Installation Guide. Our product owner is Hadi Alafar.
And our professor is Masood Sajadi.
So to run the program, you first need to make sure your server instance or computer has a recent version of Node.js. You follow this link and you install Node.js if you don't have it. Make sure your version is 11.x or greater. You can see which version you have by saying node which. Inside this link also shows directions to how to install npm, which you will also need. Once you've done that, from the interactive web directory, you can run node. Doing node server.js will start the program on port 8080. And if you're running it locally, that'll let the site be accessed by typing localhost.8080 in a browser. Alternatively, if you're using the server, you would put the server address and then :8080 to access it from there. These settings are configurable, and you can change them inside the server.js folder file. The server.js file deals primarily with the Google Drive API and how to access the Google Drive, delete, load in folders as meetings, create new meetings, load in images, and save images to those meetings. To go in more detail, the server meeting authentication and notes is created when you load in the server. So on the very first time when you run the server, if it has the old configuration.json and token.json, it will load as if it was the account interactivetabletest@gmail.com. However, you may wish to change this to a different Gmail account or have a more fluid account authentication system. To do that, you would delete both the token.json and the credentials.json, then go to the link noted here, go to step 1, and then it will show you how to enable the API for that account. Once you do that, it should generate a credentials.json. You put that into the same directory as the server.js, run node server.js, and it'll send the console log on the server itself will send you to a website where you can then authenticate the Google Drive as a good meeting folder. All right.
So the Google Drive API code is mostly for creating meetings, joining meetings, and saving meeting notes. However, Firebase was used in order to save personal notes and to send notes. So once you have the email address and password that will be given to you by the product owner, you can log into firebase.google.com and click on the console and log into the interactive table project. Here you can see authentication. This is pretty much when you create an account, sign in, sign out. These are the users, and their password will be saved onto the Firebase. Additionally, the database will have information on every user. So this is the same ID as the ID in authentication, and it will have the user's email, their inbox, so any message that gets sent to them, the link to that canvas image will be here, and whatever they save will be here. So as an example, this one is filled out. These links are actual Firebase storage links. So when you click on them, they are the actual image that will get loaded up to the canvas. And if you see the storage here, every user will have, inside of images, every user will have a folder with their ID that will have all the canvas images that were saved or sent. And if you click here and you check file location, download URL is actually the URL that's being saved in those database documents you saw earlier.
Okay, that has been the installation guide for the interactive table. My name is Robert Panoff. My contact info is rpano001@fio.edu.
And my name is Christina Alonso again. My contact information is provided if you have any questions.